are absolutely whipped from the boat yesterday. I think we're just very sore, tired, sunburned, but we did catch almost 24 crabs, which is pretty impressive. So we figured we would kind of go through our little process of how we cook them here on the camper and then make our crab tip for the LSU baseball game tonight. Particles that came off one of the crabs. It was very old. Okay, so this is about, I don't know, you think you probably can't really fit a bigger pot up here, not too much bigger.
Yeah, I just need, then I'd have more equipment I'd have to bring.
Yeah.
So I can do half a dozen with this.
Yeah.
It's horrible.
No. So we did about 3 batches this time. And how long do you let them boil for?
Like 7 to 10 minutes. Then I'll let them soak for like 35 to 45 minutes.
So, kind of a long process when we're doing 3 batches of that, but hopefully it'll be all worth it in the end here when we put all the concoctions together.
There was like 3 more barnacles.
Oh my goodness.
I thought.
Hopefully season the water with the Zatarain's crab oil.
And then this is a little spice.
And a little extra kick. Where are the crabs?
There we go.
You should barely fit.
Yeah, I gotta stir them up. Put them in there. There we go. Look.
There we go, yeah. What a terrible way to go. Boiled alive.
Well, they were frozen first.
It smells really good.
Yes. Smells potent.
Yeah, it does smell potent.
The kids are getting.
Yeah,
Choked up.
Tucker was saying, my lip is burning. Juice. Alright, so this recipe calls for 8 ounces of cream cheese, a 1/4 cup of mayo, and a 1/4 cup of sour cream each. Then some garlic, green onions, lemons, Old Bay seasoning, Worcestershire, some shredded cheese, and hot sauce of your choice. And also, the main ingredient here, this is not all of the crabs yet. We have one more, the last batch that's boiling, but about 1 pound of crab meat. So we're gonna mix all that. Alright, so we mixed everything up. Crab meat, cheese, all the other ingredients. We'll put the recipe down in the video information. We've got the oven going at, well, 350 for about 20 minutes. But with the RV camping, we never really know when it's preheated or how hot it is. So I usually run it a little bit hotter. Alright, we're gonna sprinkle some cheese on top before it goes in the oven. It's a nice like white layer on top. And some green onions on top of that. What's happening? He's trying to spell out LSU and green onions. I don't know if this is gonna go well. Alright, I'll get you some milk. Okay, I guess stay tuned for the end because it's now looking like an S already. Okay, do we think he succeeded in getting his LSU and green onions? Approved. It's good? Do you thumbs up.
job, Doodle. That's pretty
Good.
awesome.
Nice. All right, what do you think about it?
Let's see. Way better.
The flavors.
Yeah.
Yeah. You taste the lemon and the
Very
like
fresh.
onions
Can I
and
have another one, please?
Yes.
Okay.
I gotta try it too. Here.
Pretty good.
That's good. That's like restaurant. I
Better.
like going to like the Blue Crab and getting it.
Well, the catching part of it was a blast. The cooking part took a little bit longer, but the rewards were delicious. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let us know if you end up cooking the recipe. And thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.